How to change plan on Netflix 2023. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change plan on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to change your Netflix plan, it's actually quite simple, but for this we're not going to use the Netflix app, but we're actually going to open up our Netflix in browser, which means open your browser and go to netflix.com and sign into the account on which you would like to change the plan. After you do that, tap the three lines option from the top left and go to this option here known as account, and whenever you go to the account option, right over here you'll find all these sorts of information, or if you scroll down you'll find the plan details, and now you can just tap the change plan option. Now currently I'm not being able to see the change plan option because my account is currently on hold due to payment issues over here. So once I've done that, you should be able to see the change plan option and you'll be able to see other sorts of plan that are actually available for you to subscribe to. And this way you can change plan on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.